Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bridge in Metamask. Open Metamask, unlock your wallet, and ensure you are on the correct network before starting a Bridge transfer. Connect to a trusted Bridge D app from the browser or Wallet Connect, select the source and target chains, pick the token and amount, and approve each transaction. Always double-check gas estimates and address accuracy to avoid lost funds. First, secure your wallet by confirming your seed phrase backup and setting a strong password. Fund the source chain with enough native token to cover gas and bridging fees, and optionally use a hardware wallet for extra security. Add the receiving chain to Metamask if it is not present, and review any contract permissions carefully. These steps reduce risk and make the bridging process smoother and faster for everyday transfers. Begin by picking a reputable bridge and confirming the token is supported on both chains. Approve the token allowance in Metamask, then initiate the bridge transfer and confirm each Metamask prompt. Watch the Transaction and Bridge Explorer for confirmations, and only proceed with additional steps once the asset appears on the target chain. If a delay occurs, check bridge queues and Explorer details before retrying or contacting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.